Yes, we do. Who's got a cell phone? Who did it?
Wasn't me.
Who did it? It's a real accident. Who did it? Hands up.
Somebody did it. Come on, let's go.
Who's that? You were drunk?
Guilty.
Were you drunk?
Holy shit, how much?
Why would you drive off a cliff? If I said jump off a dock, would you jump off a dock?
That's right, isn't it? That's perfect, mate.
We wanted to see what was wrong underneath.
I started back there and he lost it, and then it got
Why'd
a
you
wheel
do
for it,
that?
and he just went right in. Yeah. I tell you what, though, it's lucky he didn't go over. Really lucky. Oh, yeah.
No?
He's really close to going over.
Surprise, though. I think from this accident, if you didn't get hurt, maybe you'll just come back next week and do it. Again.
Neutral. Yes.
Get a car to the ditch farm. Rick climbing in. Yeah.
Get there while he pulls it out.
Right in there, right? Holy fuck.
Run out.
Yep. Damn. Surprised you got in there.
That's pretty impressive.
That's the damage control.
Good thing they took the airbags
It would have been fucked.
out. That young kid would have got a whole new awakening.
Fire it up. Look at that. Fired right up.
Good as new.
Well, it's got a bit of a tick now.
Well, the oil's just got to get back to the Rockies, that's all.
She'll be good.
Yeah.